Hey everybody, I'm back with another roundup, and today we have like 15 of these amigurumi patterns. They're all free and they're all no sew. And I don't know if you're gonna call them like amigurumi patterns because some of them are plushies. So I'm like, what's really the difference between amigurumi and a plushie? But either way, they're all no sew patterns and they're all free, and I'm excited to show them to you. If you're welcome, okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and we embrace our crochet ADHD here, and we have fun doing it. So expect me to like fly off the rails on like little tangents and stuff. First of all, I actually wanted to tell you guys, have you guys noticed how curly my hair has been lately? Have you guys been seeing that like Tymo curler thing that like curls your hair automatically? I'll try to put in like a little flash of me using it because it's absolutely amazing. Okay, it's so easy to use. It is the first time I've ever been able to curl my hair without like being in so much pain from holding up my hair and like doing the whole wand thing. It's amazing. I love it. And I actually have an affiliate link and I will put it in the description box below, and it gets you guys like 20% off, I believe. And I do make a little bit of a commission off of that, but it is so amazing. I love it. I don't know if you guys have been able to notice my hair being all nice and pretty in my last few videos. It's like the best money I've ever spent. I love it. Moving on. I just had to tell you guys about that because it's like my favorite thing ever. Okay, so let me move up over here. Oh my gosh, my kitties. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my kitties right now just because, oh my gosh, look at my kitties. Oh, hi, Willow. Say hi. Oh, they're so cute. It's like lick, lick, bite, lick, lick, bite. Anyways, okay. This first one is a troll. And do you guys remember the trolls from like the 90s? I actually had a friend that used to collect a bunch of these. And so every time I'd find one, I would throw it to her. But you can't, I feel like I can't find them anymore. And so this is a great way to just make your own. And I love the hair. Okay. I actually have a tutorial on how to do hair like that. It's for my emotional support monsters, but we will get to that in a minute. Anyways, I love the troll. I love the little jewels on the belly. I don't know if you guys did the same thing. We used to rub them and make a wish. 90s kids. Anyways, I loved this idea and it's all no sew. Okay, hey, calm down. Calm down. Don't bite your sister's face off, bro. Hey. Oh, if you guys could see the look on my cat's face right now. Yeah, run away. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Run. You guys want to see how big Smokey has gotten? This is Smokey right now. Sorry about my mic. She has got resting bitch face. I love her. Anyways, they're both gotten so big. Okay. Like I said, crochet ADHD. I get distracted. Anyways, this is a cute little dinosaur and it is all no sew. And I think that these have been getting really popular lately. I've seen some like really cute rainbow ones and everything like that. I have never made one, so I don't know how hard it is, but I think it's really cute and I wanted to share it because I think that these are getting super popular. And these little octopus are also pretty easy to do. I actually have my own octopus pattern that if you're using 4-ply, it'll probably be a little bit different than this one. So I will actually go ahead and drop my own octopus pattern down in the description box below as well for you guys. It's like a keychain, but I do love this one. It's actually a lot more surprisingly like easier than you would think it would be. I was a little intimidated when I first made them. I was like, I don't know how to do all this. And then it really is no sew with all the little legs and they all curl up. It's so adorable. Definitely go check this one out. Okay, so this picture is a little bit fuzzy, but I love the stingray and I think it would look really cute if like you guys had it like if you had like a whole under the sea section with like whales and dolphins and stuff like that. I think it's adorable. And it's no sew. And that's the whole theme of this and I think it's adorable. It probably works up pretty fast too. I have no idea. Maybe it's like two panels. No, because that would have to be sewed together. I don't know. I don't know how it's made. Okay, and these turtles, I honestly believe that everybody should know how to make a turtle. These are a little bit smaller than the ones I normally make. This is another one I hesitated on because I was like, how is it no sew? But it really is no sew, and it's way easier than you would think it would be to make. Every one of those little fins is just a circle that you fold in half and you just crochet them into the shell. And the fun thing about turtles is that you can do different themes with them and everything. I have sold so many different like ice cream themed turtles and strawberry turtles, strawberry turtles. And I've done so many fun ones. I did a rainbow and like did this little cloud around the bottom of the shell. It was adorable. Turtles are very popular. Okay, and here is my emotional support monster. I will actually put the playlist link to the whole playlist for my monsters in the file for these. because I feel like I have a few different videos. I have an updated version and I have a few different hairstyles and stuff like that. So this is the one I was talking about, like being able to do like the mohawk hair and making it all fuzzy. You can definitely learn how to do that with these. I love the emotional support monsters because there's no one way to do it. I mean, yeah, the body's pretty universal, but you can like decorate them any way you want, and the hair, and the kids love them. They're really fun to make. I love making them. I feel like I'm talking a mile a minute. I'm just like really excited. I haven't done a pattern roundup in like a month. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. And that is Ruger back there. He just got his duck because he had a cow. Let me show you the cow. This is the cow, and it is leaving, it's leaving this all over my house. And so I have to throw it away. Yes, I know. Here, take it. But he's got a duck now. So I'll have a mess to clean up in 5 minutes. Okay, anyways, this next one is a little chick and it is all no sew. And it's just like an oval. So I imagine it's not gonna be that hard. I've never actually done a chick before. So I have no idea, but I've seen other people do it where like they sew on the feetsies, the little feetsies, the fins, flappers, fins, feet, feet, their feet, fins, feet. But this one is a no-sew pattern, so I'm guessing that's just color changes. Gonna move on. I do love the duckies. Ducks are my favorite thing. If you have not seen what I have done to my wall, if you guys have not seen this massive duck wall right there, I still have a whole crap ton on the bottom that I have to like glue on there. But definitely go check out the video. I will definitely tag it up here wherever it is. There will be a part 2 coming from that eventually. Um, yeah, that's like a whole thing. It was so fun. Hello, Smokey. Okay, moving on. Okay, so axolotls. These are fun. These are actually surprisingly easy to make. This is another one I hesitated on for the longest time. Probably because of the fins, and I just wasn't sure. But it is actually a lot easier to make. And actually, I made my own pattern that is for if you're using 4-ply yarn. So it's a little bit different than these. Let me show you. Oh, actually, I have one right here. It's so cute. It's just so cute. It's pretty easy to make. Let me know if you guys want this pattern and I will definitely throw it out there. But yeah, definitely this one is super cute. I would definitely go check it out. If you use like plushy yarn, go check this one out. They're a lot easier than you would think to make and they're really fun to make in all kinds of colors. Let me actually, I want to show you guys I'm going to grab the bag real quick. Hold on. Okay, so like these are all the axolotls I have been making. I have a market coming up in July. Look at that. Okay, so like there's a lot of fun. You can do it anyway. They're so fun. I personally love using that sparkle yarn for like the trim and stuff like that. They're so fun. Okay, so I believe these are called like leggy frogs, and these are also like I personally another one I personally haven't made, but I believe that they're probably super easy to make. It's just a rectangle, and the fun thing about these is that they're like fidgets. So the arms and the legs move back and forth, and so that's fun for the kids and everything. These are super popular. Okay, and this little no-sew otter, I've never seen anything like this. It is so adorable. It's so cute. It looks like it would work up pretty fast. It is made with plushy yarn. Yeah, but it's adorable, and I love the little fish that you attach to it. So I just had to throw this in here. It's probably pretty easy to like turn this into a keychain too. Betty's kitty, stop fighting. Stop fighting. You love each other. Okay, and here's a little puppy. And I love this idea because every time I'm at a market and I sell the loaf cats, I always have people coming up to me and asking me, like, do you have puppies? And I've never bothered to make a puppy before because the loaf cats are like this, but the puppy is like this. And so I love it. I love that it makes it different like that. And I love the little ears that are flopping up top. Definitely looks like a puppy. There's no mistaking that. I'm happy. Yeah, I definitely want to try this out. I'm just going to have to figure it out for my 4-ply yarn because I don't use plushy yarn. Hey, stop fighting. My goodness. Yeah, I would run away too. He's not being nice to you. Willow. I know, biddies, I know. Oh, don't bite me. Jeez Louise. Okay, moving on. My animals are going haywire. This is a flamingo, and I love flamingos too. I feel like you don't see them as often as you do some of the other things, like chicks and everything, but I think that flamingos are fun. I think that they're just as fun as ducks, and I think they're cute. And this looks pretty easy to do. I am not sure how you do the legs, fins, flapper, feet things, but it's supposed to be a no-sew pattern, so there's no sewing involved. So let me know how that goes. Definitely go check this one out. I think it's cute. Okay, and this is my own pattern. This is a pig. And if you've ever made a loaf cat, then you should be able to make this no problem. It is just like a loaf cat. It's just a little bit different. Obviously, you do the nose a little bit different, the ears are different, and the legs are different. And obviously, there's a tail, but it's about the same size. And I love it because I had never seen a little pig one before, and I needed a new animal to add to my inventory. And so I came up with the pig, and I love it. And I think it's adorable, and I had to show it to you guys. So yeah, the tutorial's here on YouTube. It will be in the list. Remember, all of these patterns will be in a Google Drive link in the description box below. Okay, and this is a possum, and I thought it was funny. It's right up there with rats. I think rats are like becoming really popular right now too. But yeah, I'm sure that this is probably easy. I'm not exactly, I mean, don't quote me on that because it has a lot of color changes involved. And so I'm not really sure how easy it is with the color changes. So definitely if you try this, let me know how easy it is so that I could try it. Okay, and this one, I was so surprised that this was free. I was scrolling trying to find you guys, and they don't have to be free, but I wanted to give you guys another just free roundup, and I was amazed that this dragon was a free pattern. It is a tutorial here on YouTube. It's the whole thing, and I mean, that's awesome. It's a whole dragon. I mean, that's awesome. And it reminds me of like blue lemonade. I don't know, am I crazy? But those look like lemons to me. But they're good for wings. I love it. I'm definitely gonna have to try this one out. I've made a couple dragons. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to show you guys the dragon that I made, the first one, the first plushie I ever made without a pattern. It's, oh my God, it's horrible. I wonder, oh God, I don't even know where it is right now. We just moved, so I'm like, I gave it to my husband. It's atrocious looking. I will try to find it and like insert a picture here when I am editing because it's horrible. So just know that you will get better because I used to suck too. Finally decide to separate yourselves. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this pattern roundup. I have been researching this one here for a while now. I've had this backed up and ready for you guys, and I'm happy I finally got it out to you. Let me know which one is your favorite, and definitely go check out that hair curler thing. I'm telling you, it was awesome. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. And remember, above all else, Jesus loves you. Bye.